Hello, welcome to Freebies Tech YouTube channel. Are you new to cryptocurrency or still learning the basics and trying to get familiar with airdrops, wallets, exchanges, and transactions? Then you are on the right page. In this video, we will learn some key important things to know about cryptocurrency, blockchain, exchange, how to participate in airdrops, and also how to change or swap cryptocurrency from one to another. Follow me as I explain to you the key things to know about cryptocurrency and guide you through how to participate in airdrops. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital money that doesn't require a bank or financial institution to verify transactions and can be used for purchases or as an investment. Transactions are then verified and recorded on a blockchain, an unchangeable ledger that tracks and records assets and trades. There are several types of blockchain coins, including 1. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, using a proof-of-work consensus algorithm. 2. Altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin, such as Toncoin, Solana, Litecoin and Dogecoin, etc. 3. Tokens, digital assets issued on top of another blockchain, like Ethereum. 4. Stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of a fiat currency, like USDT. 5. Smart contract coins, cryptocurrencies enabling the execution of smart contracts, like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. 6. NFT coins, cryptocurrencies representing unique digital assets, like art and collectibles. 7. Meme coins, cryptocurrencies created as a joke or meme, like Dogecoin and Galacoin. And many more. Note that these categories are not mutually exclusive, and some coins may belong to multiple categories. What is cryptocurrency exchange? Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms that facilitate the trading of cryptocurrencies for other assets, including digital and fiat currencies and NFTs. There are two types of exchanges, centralized and decentralized. What is a centralized exchange? Centralized exchanges are cryptocurrency exchanges that monitor and facilitate crypto asset trading between users with the help of a centralized intermediary. On centralized exchange, you'll need to get KYC verified before you can start trading cryptocurrency. After KYC verification, you can then buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw cryptocurrency. Example of a centralized exchange is Binance, Bybit, OKX, etc. What is a decentralized exchange? Decentralized exchanges are crypto exchanges where users can swap one crypto token for another in a decentralized and non-custodial manner without centralized intermediaries. Decentralized exchanges are also permissionless, meaning anyone can use a DEX without revealing their private information. Example of a decentralized wallet is MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Bitget Wallet, Phantom Wallet, etc. To secure a DEX wallet, different types of phrases are used, which include a seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase, a private key, a mnemonic phrase, a wallet password, two-factor authentication, a backup phrase, etc. A seed phrase is typically a list of 12, 15, 18, 21, or 24 words. These words are randomly generated by the wallet software or app when you first create a new wallet. Losing this simply means you are losing access to your wallet. Always save your information in a safe place, like Gmail draft and device notes. Haven know that. Let's talk about airdrop. In cryptocurrency, an airdrop refers to the distribution of free tokens or coins to a large number of wallet addresses, often as part of a marketing strategy or to promote a new project. The purpose of airdrop is to 1. Awareness, create awareness and generate interest in a new cryptocurrency or project. 2. Adoption, encourage people to try out a new cryptocurrency or platform. 3. Community building, reward existing community members and incentivize new ones to join. 4. Marketing, reach a wider audience and promote a project without traditional advertising costs. Types of airdrops. 1. Token airdrops, free tokens are distributed to users, often with a specific value or utility. 2. Coin airdrops. New coins are created and distributed to users, sometimes as a fork of an existing cryptocurrency. 3. Bounty airdrops. Users receive tokens or coins in exchange for completing specific tasks or promoting a project. 4. Hard fork airdrops. A new cryptocurrency is created as a result of a hard fork, and users receive a certain amount of the new cryptocurrency. Things needed to participate in airdrop. 1. Social media accounts. Download the Telegram, Twitter, and Discord apps on your device, then create an account. 2. Decentralized Exchange wallet. Download MetaMask, Bitget, and Phantom wallet. Create a new wallet for each app and save the wallet phrase somewhere safe. This wallet is used mostly to receive a token or coin from an airdrop project. 3. Centralized Exchange wallet. Download Binance, Bybit, and OKX. Create an account and complete KYC verification. This is a wallet that can be used to deposit, withdraw, trade, buy, and sell cryptocurrency. 4. Browsers having wallet extension. Download Mrs. or the Kiwi browser. This is the browser you should use for all airdrops. It enables you to easily connect your wallet by adding the DEX extension and some little token as gas fee in your wallet. Knowing all these, let's dive into how to participate in airdrops using one of the wallet extension-enabled browsers, Mrs. Browser. To participate in airdrops using Mrs. Browser, the first step is to add your MetaMask and Phantom wallet extensions. Open your Mrs. Browser and click on the extension icon at the top of the browser. Tap on Extension, scroll down, and click on Open Mrs. Extension Store. Click on Web Store at the top right corner of the page, then search for MetaMask or any extension you wish to add to your Mrs. Browser. Select the extension, then tap Add to Chrome. The extension will be added to your Mrs. Browser. You can either create a new wallet if you don't have one before or import your existing wallet. Set a strong password that you can easily remember. Then save your seed phrase. Just copy the phrase, open your Gmail, and then tap Compose to create a mail. Enter a subject like Seedphrase backup, then paste your MetaMask seed phrase. You can also add all your wallet seed phrases, like Phantom wallet, under it. Once done, just click on the back button to save the mail as a draft, don't send it to anyone. To access your saved phrase, go to Draft on your Gmail app. You can copy your seed phrase anytime you need it. Make sure you set up recovery for your Gmail account and password the app. If you have gained anything from this video tutorial, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, thank you. On your MetaMask wallet, all tokens have the same wallet address. To participate in airdrops, copy the airdrop project link and paste it on Mrs. Browser. Take note of all details about the airdrop, including the wallet to connect to, before proceeding to Miss Browser. Tap on MetaMask or Wallet Connect, then select MetaMask or Phantom depending on the instructions you are given on Telegram. This will connect your MetaMask account to the sites, and then you can sign in and complete registration. Also, you can easily complete any Twitter or Discord task by clicking on the task and logging into your account to complete each task. Once you are done completing all tasks, add a shortcut for the project on your device, and then put all projects in one folder. This will allow you to easily monitor all projects and check for new tasks. That's pretty much all on how to participate in airdrop projects. How do you swap between one cryptocurrency to another? Let's assume you need Solana as a gas fee for an airdrop. You can imagine the transaction fee that will be deducted when transferring from CEX, like Bybit, to DEX, like Phantom Wallet. This is where the fixed float comes in. With fixed float, you can swap cryptocurrency from one wallet to another. Get the link in the video description. I would like to swap my TRX for Sol because the TRX transaction fee is less. As displayed here, the minimum amount of TRX I can swap for other coins is 21 TRX. Let us check the rate of TRX to USDT so that we can know the amount of USDT to get from Bybit P2P. Now, select TRX as the cryptocurrency you want to send and Sol as the cryptocurrency you want to receive, or any cryptocurrency of your choice. Enter the amount of TRX you wish to swap for Sol. Copy your Solana address from Phantom Wallet and paste it on the site. Click on Exchange Now, enter your email, and then tap on Confirm. An address will be generated for you to send the TRX into, copy it, and head on to CEX wallet, like Bybit, etc. If you don't have TRX or USDT in your CEX wallet, go to P2P and purchase USDT worth 21 TRX, which we checked earlier to be around 2.2 USDT. After purchasing the USDT, convert it to TRX. Go to Trading, click on Convert, and swap your USDT to TRX. After swapping, go to Funding under Assets. Click on TRX, and then tap Withdraw. Paste the address generated for you by fixed float, enter the same amount of TRX you entered on the site, and complete the withdrawal. Once completed, go back to the fixed float site and refresh. Your SOL will be credited into your Phantom wallet once the platform confirms your TRX transaction. With this, you can free yourself from the hassle of struggling to get a gas fee for Airdrop and also get a lower transaction fee. Now let's round it up with some useful cryptocurrency abbreviations. TGE, Token Generation Event. TP, Take Profit. SL, Stop Loss. BE, Break Even. FOMO, Fear of Missing Out. JOMO, Joy of Missing Out. BTFD, Buy the Fucking Dip. ATL, All-Time High, Low. FUD, Fear, Uncertainty, Doubt. FUDster, a person who spreads fear, uncertainty, and doubt. KYC, Know Your Customer. NFT, Non-Fungible Token. ROI, Return on Investment. HODL, Hold On for Dear Life. DYOR, Do Your Own Research. DEFI, Decentralized Finance. SAFU, Safe. HTF, Higher Time Frame. LTF, Lower Time Frame. PNL, Profit and Loss. IMO, In My Opinion. ARMA, Ask Me Anything. CEX, Centralized Exchange. DEX, Decentralized Exchange. P2P, Peer-to-Peer. WAGMI, We Are Going to Make It. DEX, LFG, Let's Fucking Go. WL, Whitelist. GM, GN, Good Morning or Good Night. DM, PM, DC, Direct Message, Private Message, Discord. PFP, Profile Picture. IYKYK, If You Know, You Know. LG, Let's Go. DW, Don't Worry. OG, Outstanding Guy, Original Gangster. GMI, Gonna Make It. TBH, To Be Honest. TBA, To Be Announced. YOLO, You Only Live Once. NFA, Not Financial Advice. Dev, Developers, People Behind a Project. P2E, Play to Earn Games. Gas Fee, the fee needed to make a transaction on a blockchain. Court, Core Team. ET, Earning Team. dApps, Decentralized Applications. DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Lambo, Lamborghini. Moon, another cryptocurrency term for getting rich. 2FA, Two-Factor Authentication. WP, White Paper. POS, Proof of Stake. POW, Proof of Work. CA, Contract Address. SC, Smart Contract. P2P, Peer-to-Peer. Cheat, someone who comes into a project for a little profit and exit. If you have gained anything from this video tutorial, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you.